didn't want to fight at all. Good to know how to fight back, but it's even more important how to prevent it, and that all starts with you.
Hi guys, we're here at the ASIC store in Amsterdam for the JUNO Self Defense workshop. I am super excited about this. This is something I've been waiting for so long. An amazing workshop. This was empowering. I feel taller and I feel more confident, and I loved it. What do you think, Cynthia, about the workshop? And just give us your thoughts. And
yeah, I believe that every woman should be able to defend herself. And it's my mission to make women around the world stronger, more self-aware, and safe through self-defense. I was very happy that you gave me the possibility to train these really awesome ladies so that they really feel their own power, how to move, and become more aware. And they really take learning and teaching from God. I realized that inside me I didn't want to fight at all. Good to know how to fight back, but it's even more important how to prevent it, and that all starts with you.
Well, if anybody's interested in learning more about JUNO, how can they get in contact with you?
Yeah, they can always contact me through my website, JUNOselfdefense.com. Thank you very much so much.
It was really nice.
Vandaag was leuk.
I like it. I was so excited about it.
Ik heb heel veel technieken geleerd.
It's really nice to know that you have power everywhere you go.
Dat kan gebruiken als iets gebeurt. Was heel goed, heel mooi, leerzaam.
And now I feel more confident. Thanks.
En dat vind ik fantastisch. Heel goed.
This workshop was really amazing, feel more confident and powerful.